Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to paint some calipers. Alright, let's just get started. I'm going to show you how to be painting some brake calipers. These are from a Dodge Charger, a 392. This is a Charger that I installed the white body, but I'm going to be painting the calipers blue. So what I did, I just sanded it down with 320 grit sandpaper and I covered everything up. I did not cover this because I'm going to be using a cardboard too, just to protect the back. I'll show you how I'm going to be doing it. That's all I did, just cover everything up. Here's the other side. Everything's nice, everything's ready. And I did leave this part of the window open because I'm going to be moving the steering so that I can get every corner of that caliper. So let's just mix it up and start applying it. And the paint I'm going to be using is from Roberto, and it's called Disolac. This paint, guys, right here, it's an alternative to powder coating. This is a real industrial strength paint, which once it dries, it's not going anywhere. It's just gonna stay there. And this is what I'm gonna be using. This is mixed 4 to 1. I'm gonna show you how to mix it and apply it. I'll be applying it with a small minigun from Italco right here, and it does have a 1.0 tip. That's what I'm going to be using. So let's just mix it up, start applying it. Right there you get your mixing cup, and it's mixed 4 to 1. 4 parts of the paint and 1 part of the activator. Right there I have 4 parts. Now let me add 1 part of the activator and we'll be good. Right there, guys, this is a metallic base color. This company or this product can be mixed solids, metallics. Sometimes you can mix in pearls, but this is a Dodge color for the calipers, so we're gonna be doing it this way. But has a lot of different combinations of paint that you can mix with this Disolac. Real quick, guys, before we start, you do have to clean it with some wax and grease remover. Sand it down with 320, clean it with some wax and grease remover. And this paint, the Disolac, I know I have bare metal right here. You do not need to apply primer. That's another good thing about this product. You don't need to apply sealer, you don't need to apply primer. It's direct to metal, so it's real good. It does have properties that will hold to high temperature, which I know that the brake calipers can get to a high temperature, so it does have properties to withhold that temperature. So this is a real good product for rims, for calipers, for any other application that you might need powder coating. You can use this instead. Now let's apply it. This is the first coat. I'm going to be applying 3 coats. Now you see nothing got messed up. Everything is the way it's supposed to. Nice color. Let me show you the other ones. And this is the first coat, guys. I am going to wait 15 minutes in between each coat. So there it is. Looking good, looking really good. And in regards to this paint, like I mentioned, it's like if you're applying powder coating. It's gonna be real tough, real, you can bang on it, nothing's gonna happen. That's why they use it for industrial. And there it is. After 3 coats of the base, it's ready. I do have some decals that I'm gonna place here, but I'm gonna have to place them whenever it's dried up. So I'm just gonna let it set. This paint does take a while to dry, guys, so just leave it for at least 24 hours and you should be good. So I'm just gonna leave the car as is for about 24 hours before I can apply the decals and start unmasking it. But that is the way to paint your calipers. Looks really nice, really good. So let's just wait, and this will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Now do clean your gun right after, because this paint, like I mentioned, it is industrial paint and it's gonna mess up your gun. So clean it up real nice, real good, so that it can be ready for the next one. This will be it, guys. Thank you very much. This is how to paint your brake calipers, and have a great Christmas. Like always, stay safe and God bless.